Xiaomi phone memory extension. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva, back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show how to increase your Xiaomi phone's memory. I'll show how to boost memory for better performance. Like these kinds of videos, we've got other related videos on the channel. Subscribe, like I'm always making videos to help you guys. Alright folks, let's get started. Click on Settings, this gear icon, scroll down. Then click here on Additional Settings. Scroll down a bit more and click on Memory Extension. You'll add 2 GB of RAM using some storage space. Remember, you need enough free space to use this feature. It'll ask you to restart when you toggle this switch. Click on Restart. I've done it, and memory extension is now active on the Xiaomi. Did you manage it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.